I just swallowed some water there. That's a rookie mistake. Basically what happens when you go into really cold water is that you instinctively take a big breath. Like as soon as your chest goes in the water, you go like that because it's so cold. And so if you're not prepared, it's easy to swallow some water. That's how a lot of drownings happen, is people accidentally fall into cold water, or they jump into cold water, and then in that first breath they get water in their lungs and they kind of feel like they're drowning, and then they freak out and panic. And once you panic, then you kind of lost control of the situation, and you know, at that point you need saving, because once you panic, it's very hard to save yourself. The more you get accustomed to swimming, and especially people like me who've been, you know, swimming since they were very young children, then you kind of get accustomed to, okay, if you get water in your lungs, it's not a big deal. Just, you know, put your head above the water and breathe. And so if you can keep your head cool in those kind of situations, where when you unexpectedly swallow water, you just relax and breathe, then you put yourself in a much better position when something unexpected happens. I'm gonna go again because even though it's freezing, I love it, and you know, really wakes you up. I'll try to be more prepared this time. See, it happened. I better get out, or else I'll catch a cold in August.